thing we have to do is to get the leaves of the taro, which is the roro, and then when we buy it from the supermarket, in this case of New Zealand, we have to try and bring a variety of sizes. So when we bring the leaves into the kitchen, we're going to pile them up from the large size, medium to small. So what happens is that when you bring it, and then what we do is we have a basin that we have the coconut cream, the onions and the salt and the corned beef mixed into one. That's the new method of making palusami. And then what you do is with a spoon, you scoop a little bit of the coconut cream or the lolo and you paste it like you draw on the top of the foil. And then you start to layer. So a little bit of the juice, the meat and the onions, and then you repeat. So the layering, at least you should have about 5 leaves of roro. Smallest on the top, and then you make sure that the coconut cream is well evenly spread out, and then you roll it. So you do 1 roll and 2, and then you fold onto the side. And sometimes when you're folding and you notice that it's a little bit dry, what you do is you scoop a couple more of the coconut cream, pour it on top to make sure that it's spread as well and it's wet, and then you fold it one more time, and then you scoop the side of your foil and you make a little knot on the top, and that's how your palusami is made.